Hello, good morning, sweeties. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. Today is Monday, 15th of March 2021. كيفكم يا رابع؟ بتمنى تكونوا كلكم بخير وصحة وسلامة يا رب. Today, inshallah, sweeties, we will continue with our reading lesson in Unit 6. Okay, and we said yesterday that our lesson is about poems. Okay, and yesterday we started to discuss the first poem, which title is Amazing Changes. Okay, and we talked about the growth of the butterfly. Okay, today inshallah we will continue with the second poem, which title is the dragonfly, which means al-yasub. Okay, this is the dragonfly as you can see in your book. Please get ready and start following me. Let's start. The dragonfly larva. The dragonfly larva. Here larva means al-yarqa, yaraqat al-yasub. Okay, is a terrifying beast. Okay, what's the meaning of terrifying beast? Terrifying is an adjective which means very frightening, مرعب. Okay, terrifying means very frightening, مرعب, مخيف. Beast is a noun which means an animal or insect, وحش. So the dragonfly larva يرقة اليعسوب is a terrifying beast. هي عبارة عن وحش مرعب. Why? Here but the WH question. Why? Why is the dragonfly larva a terrifying beast? Because it has pinching claws and snapping jaws. Okay? Pinching claws and snapping jaws لأنها بتمتلك pinching claws. Number one, it has got pinching claws, and number two, it has got snapping jaws. Okay, pinching here is an adjective which means مضغوط. Claws مخالب. Okay, مخالبها قاسية ومضغوطة. And it has got also snapping hard قاسي. Jaws حنك الفك. Okay, فك الفم أو حنك الفم is hard, snapping. Okay, so the dragonfly larva is a terrifying beast. شبهها بأنها وحش مرعب مخيف. Why? Because it has got a pinching claws and snapping jaws. Okay, now looking for a feast. Okay, تبحث عن فريسة وليمة. Okay, here look for is a verb which means to search, try to find something. Okay, to search or try to find something, يبحث عن. Okay, feast is a noun which means a lot of food for a big dinner, a lot of food, وليمة. Okay, so the dragonfly larva is a terrifying beast. We said because it has pinching claws and snapping jaws when it is looking for a feast. لما بتبحث when it is trying to look for a feast, to search or try to find a feast. Okay, when the dragonfly appears, هلا it starts to be, the dragonfly starts with larva. Okay, then when the dragonfly appears, لما بيحاول. Now when the dragonfly appears, okay, لما بيظهر اليعسوب from the larva's ugly skin, okay, its wings. Okay, now describe the wings. Describe the wings. The wings الأجنحة are wide عريضة and delicate. Okay, the wings of the dragonfly wide and delicate. Delicate is an adjective which means thin, نحيف أو خفيف. Okay, yes, its bodies. Now the body of the dragonfly is long and thin, طويل ونحيف. Now if you want to describe the wings, they are wide and delicate. And if you want to describe the body, the dragonfly, it is long and thin. Okay, there is a flash of a brilliant color, لون رائع. Okay, as it flies across the water. Now when it flies across the water, there is a flash of a brilliant color. Okay, زي لون بيعطيك إشعاع للون رائع. Okay, like look here we have a description. في عندي وصف. Okay, like a jewel on the crown. شبهها بالجوهرة. Okay, on the crown على التاج of an emperor's daughter, the crown of emperor's daughter. Okay, now when the dragonfly flies across the water, there is a flash of a brilliant color. Okay, flash of a brilliant color. Now the flash of this brilliant color is like a jewel on the crown. بشبهه بالجوهرة على تاج of daughters of the emperor. Okay, ابنة الإمبراطور. Okay, sweeties, now we will go to the third poem, which title is The Bird of Paradise. طير الجنة. Bird, طير. Paradise, الجنة. If you look here, this is the bird of the paradise, and if you look here, this is the chick, الصوص أو الفرخ, the bird of the paradise. If you look at it, it is look like a funny chick, yes, because it hasn't got feathers and its head is so big. Okay, we will start. Can you believe it? هل تصدق? It doesn't look nice. Okay, look here, it doesn't look nice. But this funny little chick, okay, this funny little chick, it doesn't look nice. Okay, will be a bird of paradise. This chick will be a bird of paradise. راح يتحول لطير الجنة. It will spread its golden wings. راح ينشر أجنحته الذهبية. What's the color of its wings? They are golden, okay? And show its feathers like a fan. If you look here at the golden feathers, okay, ريش الذهبي, it looks like a fan, بيشبه المروحة, okay? And nobody will guess how this amazing bird began. If you look at this amazing bird, you cannot guess, you cannot believe how does this bird began. كيف كانت بدايته? This is the beginning of this bird. Okay? No one believe that this is the beginning of the bird of paradise. ما حدا رح يصدق كيف كان في البداية. Okay, sweeties, these are the third poems in your reading lesson. Amazing changes, the dragonfly and the bird of paradise. If you have any question, tell me please. Have a nice day, sweeties.